Jigadig is a better way to compare auctions because we make it so much easier to browse and compare items. Again, I'll start with our strategy. Our catchphrase is never scroll back again, similarly to never clicking back again. We never want you to have to scroll back again, meaning up and down when browsing. Often, I'm sure when browsing other sites, you start comparing and you start scrolling, viewing the details, then clicking back and scrolling down. Then to compare, you need to scroll back up, checking price and feedback and details. So we've already cut the clicking back and forth, but we wanted to cut out the scrolling and make the whole comparing simple and just better. And that's what this pin icon is and what this view pin it tabs is. Watch what happens. It is a way for me to simply bookmark any item I am remotely interested in into its own area while browsing, allowing me to quickly look through hundreds of items and pick out what I may want so I can easily compare. Notice the little X. That shows you that you can easily remove the item by clicking it again without having to open up the Pin Its tab. And notice the effect here to show you a new pin it has been added, counting them as you go along. Notice that you can also hide or minimize items by clicking here. Okay, so you've pinned the items you're interested in. Now time to easily compare them. Click the View Pin Its tab and voila, your own slide down cabinet with all of your items. I specifically pinned over 6 items so you can see how it works to view all of your items because the default fits 6 items. You can simply click the arrows here and here to browse your items. Note that by clicking on the X, it will delete the item. This default view is the Details view, where you can easily toggle between them via the thumbnail pics of each item. Simply click them to view the auction details, and just like on the results page, you have all of the same tabs to view the description, dig it, and buy it. The details view makes it easier for you to toggle between the items and really be able to scrutinize the details of each item and listing. And as you can see, these checkboxes are for the compare view. The compare view puts the basic details side by side in a spreadsheet style for you to easily compare the basic details, price, feedback, and time to help you decide which item is right for you. You can also toggle between the two views by clicking these icons. Instead of having to uncheck the checkboxes or hit clear. At any time you can click here or click the tab again to close your pinned items and continue browsing and adding new items. For example, you may want to modify or change your search and pin some of these new items with the others for comparison purposes. Let's do just that. Click Search. Searching iPhone hard case to find some new results. Then I can pin a few, and they're added to the current pin its, so I can easily compare them amongst the iPhone skins. This is just one of many practical examples where you may need or want to search different keywords and compare items from the different results. This link, Save Pin Its, is if you'd like to save your pin its for later viewing or to share them with your friend list, which we'll talk about soon. Note that from here on you'll need to sign up for your free Jigadig account. This is how Jigadig is a better way to compare auctions, and feel free to let us know what other features you think would make your browsing and comparing a better experience.